This Floam Slime is so much fun to play with. It's a great sensory activity. Here's what you'll need to make your own. Pour a half a cup of glue into a bowl. You can use clear or white glue. Next, you'll add a half a cup of water and then blend the water and glue together. If you want your slime to be colored, now's the time to add your food coloring. Just a drop or two will do. Of course, you can't forget glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? If you want glitter in your slime, now's the time to add it. It looks like a bowl of sunshine. Now you'll need to add a half tablespoon of baking soda. Blend it in well. This will help thicken your slime. Now we need 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Add it in and stir. This acts as a reactor and it makes your slime thick. Shake in some styrofoam balls. I used about 1.5 cups in this slime. Add a little contact solution to your fingertips and keep kneading the slime. The more you knead it, the less stickier it becomes. I hope you enjoy making this Floam as much as I did.